This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find your missing gallery on your Xiaomi phone. So if you don't see gallery anywhere, you can go to your camera and you can just go to the option in the bottom left. And this should open up your gallery right here. And for some reason this has a lock on it, so I'm just going to add this. And then I can find my photos. This is opening up Google Photos actually. Now you can also go to the Google Play Store. And you do have the option to just download galleries. So you can just type in gallery. So if you ever delete this by accident, I'd suggest probably just gallery right here by Google LLC. This one's pretty solid. And then once you have this installed, you can open up and it's going to be your basic gallery. Open this up. This is Google, different than Google Photos. There's less pushiness to try to get you to subscribe to something for more storage. And then you can see your folders right here too. So this one is good. I like it. Basic. Also, you can go on over to Files or File Manager. And you can find your pictures under your internal storage for your phone, DCIM. And you can find everything under here if you want to move it to a different location or to a safe folder. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.